How to solve Valorant VAN9003 secure boot or UEFI error on Windows. So if you want to solve this VAN9003 error, then what you need to do is the first solution is to enable secure boot and TPM 2.0. To do that, you need to restart your PC and enter the BIOS. This is usually done by pressing the F2, F10, or delete key during the boot up process. Then you need to find the secure boot and TPM settings in the BIOS menu, navigate to the security or boot settings to locate secure boot and TPM options. After that, enable the secure boot, turn on secure boot and ensure it's set to standard or enabled. After that, enable TPM 2.0. Look for TPM and make sure it is enabled and set to 2.0. After that, save and exit. Save the changes in the BIOS and restart your computer. After enabling secure boot and TPM 2.0, try launching Valorant again. This often resolves the VAN9003 issue, particularly on Windows 11 systems. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the second solution is you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to go with Windows Update, which is on the bottom left, and then go with Update or check Updates. And after checking your updates, if you have any updates for your Windows, you need to just go and update. After updating your Windows, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then the third solution is to reinstall your Vanguard anti-cheat. Sometimes reinstalling the Vanguard anti-cheat software can solve compatibility issues and refresh its configuration on your system. So you need to uninstall your Vanguard. You can go with Open Add or Remove Programs from your Windows menu and then find your Riot Vanguard and uninstall it. You can search for Add or Remove Programs, and as you can see that you will find Add or Remove Programs right here. Just click on it and then find the Riot Vanguard and uninstall it. After that, you need to restart your PC. After uninstalling, restart your computer, and then you need to reinstall Vanguard by launching Valorant. Open the Valorant launcher. It will automatically prompt you to reinstall Vanguard. Restart again after installation. Once the Vanguard is reinstalled, restart your computer one last time, and it will fix your issue. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.